Welcome to Hearing First Hastings, located at Station Plaza Health Centre in Hastings, where our experienced audiologists provide professional microsuction earwax removal, designed to safely clear blocked ears and restore hearing clarity. One of the biggest hearing health trends right now is awareness around hidden hearing loss and the impact that earwax buildup can have on daily life. Many people don't realise that excess earwax can affect hearing aid performance, create pressure in the ears, trigger dizziness, and even worsen tinnitus symptoms. Unfortunately, social media is filled with unsafe DIY ear cleaning trends. People are using cotton buds, candles, clips, and even home vacuum devices that can potentially damage the ear canal. That's why professional microsuction has become one of the most trusted earwax removal methods in the UK. Unlike traditional syringing methods that use water, microsuction uses gentle medical suction and specialised equipment to carefully remove wax, while allowing the audiologist to clearly see inside the ear canal throughout the procedure. This makes microsuction a cleaner, safer, and more controlled option for many patients. At Hearing First Hastings, our audiologists regularly help patients experiencing blocked ears, muffled hearing, whistling hearing aids, ear pressure, tinnitus symptoms, ear discomfort, and temporary hearing loss caused by impacted wax. One thing many people don't realise is that hearing aid users are often more prone to wax buildup, because hearing aids can partially block the natural migration of earwax. That's why regular ear health checks are becoming increasingly important, especially for adults over 50. If you've recently noticed people mumbling more often, difficulty hearing conversations, or needing to turn the television volume up higher than usual, earwax may be contributing to the problem. The good news is that professional earwax removal can often provide immediate improvement. Another trending topic in hearing healthcare is tinnitus management. Many people search online asking whether earwax can cause ringing in the ears. In some cases, impacted earwax can contribute to tinnitus symptoms by blocking sound transmission and creating pressure inside the ear. While tinnitus can have multiple causes, removing impacted wax may help reduce symptoms for some individuals. At Hearing First Hastings, patient comfort and safety always come first. Every appointment is performed by trained audiologists using professional equipment in a clinical environment. If you're struggling with blocked ears, reduced hearing, or uncomfortable earwax buildup, booking a professional microsuction appointment could help you hear clearly again. To learn more or schedule an appointment with Hearing First Hastings, check the booking link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who may need professional earwax removal support.